Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate Easter egg alien. So let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to start adding a little bit of tempered dark chocolate into my mold. So I'm just using a paintbrush and I want to create my first layer. So I'm going to apply that, let it set or dry for about 5 minutes, and then I'll paint on a second layer. And I'm going to do this 3 times in total. Once our chocolate is completely dried or set, we'll remove it from our mold, and then I'm going to use a hairdryer with a little Easter egg cookie cutter. I'm going to heat that with my hairdryer, and then I'm going to slowly push it into the chocolate to create the opening in our egg. So at this point, I'm now going to reheat my little cookie cutter, because as you place it into the chocolate, it cools down very, very quickly. So just reheat it a little bit, and then try it again, and then everything will be fine. So second time, and it slides right through. Perfect. Now I'll just turn it around and just show you how nice that cut is. Nice and clean, really, really sharp. The next thing that we're going to start on is our little alien. And I am using Wilton candy melts for this. So I've got a sphere mold, and I'm just going to start doing exactly what I did for the actual Easter egg. So I'm going to do 3 layers of this. I'm going to let them set in between, and then later on we'll pop them out. So I just want to clarify what I'm using in this recipe. So what I have here are Wilton candy melts. These are the lime green. You can see them right there. They call them a vibrant green color. They're made by Wilton. That's the actual company name. And for the eyeballs, I'm using Candy Eyes, and those are also made by the company Wilton. So for our next step, I have yet another little fancy Easter egg mold, and I'm using the Wilton candy melts that I just showed you. So now I'm just painting in my first coat. So I'll paint in the first coat, let it dry, do a second coat, let it dry, then a third coat, let it dry, and then to easily get it out of your mold, just put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. When you turn your mold over, they should just pop out very, very easily. So now here is my semi-sphere mold. I had that in the fridge for about 10 minutes. And all you do is turn it over, gently tap it, and all of your little candy should fall out. To assemble our semi-spheres, I've heated up a little frying pan. And then all I want to do is just take each side, just touch it to the frying pan to warm it up. That will melt the candy. And then you just stick it together. Super, super easy. So to create our little eye, I'm going to be using the little candy eyeballs made by Wilton. So I'm going to add a little bit of Wilton candy melts to act as glue, grab our little eyeball, and then just affix it onto our sphere, and there we have it. And if you watch enough of my videos, you know I always like to zoom in to show you a closer look at what I'm doing, and here you can see the little eyeball affixed to the sphere. Now we will take a little bit of dark chocolate, and this is going to act as glue. So you apply it to the back of the egg, and now take your sphere, gently place it in there, and let it set. Once again, I'm going to use my frying pan. I've heated up my frying pan, and now I'm going to melt the chocolate, and now I'm going to put both of the pieces together and just gently get that in place, and then don't touch it until it's completely set. I'll let that sit there for a good half an hour before I actually move it. Once it's set, you're ready to go. We're almost finished our tutorial. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So there we have our little alien looking at us. Isn't he cute? I love him. And finally, here we go again with our hairdryer. I'm heating up our little cookie cutter, and I am creating the hole in our base. And that again is Wilton candy melts that I've used for the base. So there's a nice, really clean and sharp cut. And now we are ready to place down the actual egg on the base. And here we go. And there we have it. And I am using gloves just to hold the chocolate. You can also use medical gloves, the plastic gloves, if you wish as well. That will just keep your fingerprints off your nice chocolate. So here we have it. We've come to the end of another video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. I really had a fun time doing this. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.